The surprise is here. Yes guys, yesterday we have seen a leak on Twitter which confirms the design of the upcoming S23 Ultra. Basically, this is going to be the first look of the S23 Ultra device, and boy, it's going to be different. According to the leak image which has been arrived, give us a detail that the front display design of the S23 Ultra is looking flat and it's not the curved one which we are used to see on the Samsung S series devices. But wait, don't be too excited because as the leakster mentioned that this is an EVT unit, means when retail unit is arriving it do have the curved. But how much the curved is going to be, it hasn't been mentioned. As per the ice universe, he do mention slightly less curved but doesn't give us exact figure. Now other images give us an indication that the device will be a little bit thicker than the S22 Ultra. Although we are not expecting major upgrades, so having a thick body is a surprise. We have volume up and down and power button on the same side, but another cutout is at the bottom, which is a new one, not seen in our devices. It looks similar to the iPhone millimeter wave antenna like, but it's my assumption maybe in retail unit we might not actually going to see it. Anyhow, the last image shows we do have wireless and reverse wireless function is coming. Now guys, what are your opinion? Which front design you prefer? Flat or curved display? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Now this display is also great because it will be coming with an E6 OLED panel with LTPO 3.0 tech. It will be one of the brightest display of 2200 nits in a mobile device, even brighter than the iPhone 14 Pro Max which has 2000 nits of peak brightness, and it's going to be even better than the Samsung own S22 Ultra 1750 nits. Not only this display is brighter, but also it will be 45% more power efficient as well, which means your device is going to be having a much better battery life than the S22 Ultra. Not only the display is better, but also to protect this display, we will see a Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front side, which is even more improved and durable than this year S22 Ultra, which is great. In lab test, it has confirmed to be more durable on harder surface of up to 1 meter. Not only it's added on the front, but we also see this glass on the back in the camera lenses as well to give them safe if you accidentally drop it. Now this mighty 200 megapixel camera will unlock full 8K video recording with 30 frames per second, while 4K video recording at 120 fps, which is great. And the launch of the S23 series will be going to be happen in San Francisco in February next year, and the pricing of the device could expect it to be a little bit higher in the European market. But one good news is that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor is going to be coming in every region, which is quite good news. And guys, I'm super excited about the S23 series. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.